In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to erase background in Adobe Express. This is a quick, reliable way to isolate your subject for social posts, product shots, or clean, professional thumbnails, and you can do it in just a few clicks. First, open Adobe Express and upload your image. You can use the web version in your browser or the mobile app, whatever you prefer. On desktop, drag and drop your file onto a new project, or click the Upload button to browse your computer. High-resolution images with good contrast between the subject and the background tend to produce the best results, but even casual photos usually work well. If your image comes in larger than the canvas, feel free to zoom out a little so you can see the full subject comfortably. Next, click the image on your canvas to select it, then choose Edit Image. This opens the editing panel where all your key tools live. If you don't see the panel right away, make sure the image itself is highlighted. You'll notice options to adjust brightness, color, and more, but for background work, we're going straight to the Cutout tool. Choose Remove Background. Adobe Express uses Smart Selection to detect your subject automatically, so you don't have to trace anything by hand. When you click it, the tool analyzes edges like hair, clothing, and object outlines to create a clean cutout. It's hands-off and works surprisingly well even on complex shapes. Now wait for Adobe Express to automatically erase the background. You'll see a brief progress indicator, and then your image will appear with the background removed. Often, you'll see a transparent checkerboard where the background used to be. Take a moment to zoom in and scan around the edges, especially areas like hair or fine details. If the subject is clear and the edges look smooth, you're good to move on. Finally, adjust or add a new background if needed. If part of the subject was trimmed or a bit of the background remains, use the Refine options to erase or restore specific areas and soften edges for a natural look. You can reposition or resize your cutout on the canvas to frame it just right. For a fresh look, drop in a solid color, a gradient, or a photo background from your library or Adobe's stock options. Lower the background's brightness or add a subtle blur to make your subject pop, and consider adding a soft shadow under the cutout for depth. Small tweaks like matching color tones between the subject and the background can tie everything together beautifully. And that's it. You've erased the background and polished your image in Adobe Express with minimal effort.